Good morning, students. Today we use Heron formula find the area of quadrilaterals. First, if you find out area of quadrilateral, then you convert quadrilateral into two triangles. Clear? Then how we find area? So example, find out area of a quadrilateral A, B, C, D whose sides are 9 meter, 40 meter, 28 meter and 15 meter respectively, and the angle between first two sides is right angle. Angle between two sides are 90 degree and all four sides are given. Then first you draw according to problems a figure of quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral. First two sides angle 90 degree. That means this angle is 90 degree. So side 9 meter, 40 meter, 28 meter and 15 meter. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Clear? Now convert into two triangles because its angle A is 90 degree. So BD is hypotenuse of right angle ABD. So first you find out this side diagonal of quadrilaterals. Also we can say hypotenuse of triangle ABD. Solutions: BD square equal to AD square plus AB square from triangle ABD. AD 9, AB 40 meter. 9 square plus 40 square, this is 81 plus 1600. Sum of 1600 plus 81, 1681. This number is square of 41. This is BD square. This length is BD. Unit meter. We find out diagonal BD 41 meter. Now it is right angle triangle. So area of triangle ABD equal to half into base into height. Base 40, okay, and height 9. Simplify 180 meter square. Now this triangle BCD a different kind of triangles in which no angle is 90 degree. So area of BCD equal to square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S equal to A plus B plus C by 2 sides 28, 15 and 41. 28 plus 15 plus 41 upon 2. Sum of 28, 15 and 41. 8, 9, 14. 1, 2, 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1. 8 by 2. 42 meter. 84 divided by 2. Now area of triangle BCD square root S 42. Okay, 42 next 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 15, 42 minus 41. Next step 42. 42 minus 28. 14. 42 minus 15. 27. 42 minus 41. 1. Factor of 42. 7 into 3 into 2. 7 3 is 21. 2 is 42. Into 7 into 2. 27. 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Now pair. Pair of 7. Here pair of 2. Or next pair of 2 and pair of 3. We write one digit of each pair. So 7 into, in this pair 3, 1 3 more and 2. Now multiply 7 3 is 21. 21 3 is 63. 2 is 126 meter square. Now area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral equal to 180 area of ABD plus 126 sum 306 meter square. This is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Now question exercise 12.2 question number 1. A park in the shape of quadrilaterals ABCD has angle C 90 degree, AB 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter, AD 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Now, according to questions, first we draw a quadrilateral. Angle C 90 degree. Quadrilateral, it is angle C 90 degree. B, A and D. A, B, C, D a quadrilateral in which angle C 90 degree. Length AB. AB 9 meter. BC 12 meter. CD 5 meter. AD 8 meter. This angle C 90 degree. So opposite sides of angle C is the hypotenuse of triangle BCD. Now this quadrilateral ABCD is divided into two triangles BCD and ABD. Find out area of these two triangles and at last we can join both triangles. So find out area of ABCD. Now from triangle BCD, BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. BC square of 12, CD square of 5, square of 12 144 plus 25 sum 169. So BD equal to square root 169 equal to 169 is the square of 13. Okay, good. Meter. It is 13 meter. So now area. This is right angle triangle. So area of right angle triangle base in half base into height. Area triangle BCD equal to half base into height 1 by 2 base square into height 5 divided by 2 6 is 12 6 5 is 30 meter square. This is the area of triangle BCD. Now area ABD. Area of triangle ABD equal to the triangles. All three sides are given, but no one angle is 90 degree. So by Heron formula, S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We square root. So find out S equal to half of perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. Sides 9, 13, 8. 9 plus 13 plus 8. Divide by 2. 9 plus 13. 22 plus 8. 30 by 2. So 15 meter. Now as semi-perimeter of triangle ABD. So area of triangle ABD equal to square root as 15. 15 minus 9 side by A. 15 minus 13. 15 minus 8 by square root. Next 15 into 15 minus 9 6. 15 minus 13 2. 15 minus 8 7. So multiply 15 6 90. 2 7 14. Now multiply 49 126. 1260 meter square. This is area of triangle ABD. Now we find out square root of 1260. It is 35.48 meter square. We find out square root by long division method. So we get 35.48 meter square. This is the area of triangle ABD. Now area of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD. Sum of area of these two triangles. Area BCD equal to 30 meter square plus area of ABD, it is 35.48 meter square. So sum 48.35 plus 30 65 meter square. This is the area of quadrilateral